Morning guys, how you doing? Hope everything's fine. Hope you're cool and hope life's treating you good. Okay, welcome back to my kitchen. Where are we? Don't even know what day it is. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, it's 10 to 11. I've got about an hour to spare. Got my little guy, Remy, in the living room. I'm waiting to take him to the nursery at 12, so I've got about an hour before I've got to leave. Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade berry cakes. Berry cakes as in berry cakes. Little stuff like that, okay? Now, what I normally do, love it. Lars is probably the one that eats them the most. I normally make Victoria sponges. Exactly the same mix I'm going to show you now. Make a Victoria sponge, 2 9-inch things, whack them in the oven, half hour, gas mark 5, gas mark 6, whatever. They come out, put all on a rack, vanilla buttercream icing on one side, any type of jam, blackcurrant, strawberry, raspberry on the other side, smack together, sift with a little icing sugar, cut and scoff. They are delicious. My cakes are delicious anyway, but that's because I'm a big head. Anyway, now you can use the same mix for fairy cakes, okay? Now, instead of boring you to death and putting you in a coma like I normally do, when the wife says, you stop talking and just cook. So I'm just going to stop talking and cook, okay? Listen very carefully, because this is how I made the mix that I've already done, okay? That's all ready to go. All I've got to do is pour it in the cups and bake it. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to pour all of the mixture into every single cup. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple, then I'll stop, finish all the rest, show you them, whack them in the oven, then when they're cooked I'm going to take them out and show you, okay? What I would do with these, really, is I would either leave them plain when they're cooked, or what I would do is see how high they are, and if they come above the top, if I put enough mix in, if I put enough, let me show you. Now these are muffins because these are big ones, but I like big cakes because I'm greedy. Alright, normal, ordinary. Yeah, now what I want is for that to come above. Okay, and then what I would do is I would just peel that back a little bit, cut the top off, and then just squeeze a little bit of vanilla icing in, a little bit of jam in, pop the top back on again and just sprinkle a little icing sugar. Absolutely delicious. Okay, I just made one at the weekend as a matter of fact. Used me 2 9-inch cake tins. I made a Victoria sponge the same day. Gone, absolutely gone. So these are absolutely delicious. The kids love them to death. Everything's cool. That's how you do it. Okay, right. Listen to me very carefully because this is, I didn't want to put all the ingredients and sort it all out and bore you to death. Anyway, in here, this is how I made my Victoria mix. Are you listening? Are you ready? You got your pen? You got your paper? If not, just stop. Rewind. Blah blah. Ready? Go. 200 grams of ordinary flour. 200 grams caster sugar. 200 grams of butter, ordinary. Spoonful of baking powder. And 2 eggs. That's it. That's all you need. Mix all of that together in a bowl and you get this. That's it. Your 9-inch tins, your pastry thing, your muffin things, or your cupcake, whatever you want to do. Now, as many of these as you can, many of these as you want to, many of these as you mix will let you. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do just a few, just to show you. And this is so easy. This is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay? So just grab all of that. Look, mix is all ready. That's all done and dusted. Blah blah blah. Rhubarb, rhubarb, rhubarb. Done. So grab all some of that. Probably going to get it everywhere. Normally get it everywhere. A little bit in there like that. Okay. One minute. There's no in me, I'll throw it all over the place because you know what I'm like. Now I want them big. I want them big because I want to come over the top because I want to put fillers in. So double that spoonful. All right, 2 spoonfuls straight in there like that. Done. Okay. See? That's it. Move it over and do the rest. Okay. Now I'm going to do the rest. I'm not going to bore you while I do the rest. I'm going to do the rest. As soon as they're done, I'm going to come back in, put them in the oven, stop the video again, cook them, and when we come back, we're going to take them out, go try one. Okay. You ready? Okay, stay there. You've done your mix, so as soon as you've done your mix, put them in your cups, and we'll come back in a minute, alright? Okay, see you in a minute. Right guys, okay, we're back. I've got all of mine done. There you go. You see how far up I've come, because like I said, I want them big, because I want to be able to chop the top off. Take it off, put me vanilla buttercream icing in, put me jam in, and then put the top back on. So there's a little bit more in there than there should be. Now I've got 5, 10, 15, 20. Nice. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 20, just to make sure. 20. Okay? So out of that mix I told you, I've just got 20 muffin sized fairy cakes. Yum. Okay? Alright. Now, Wolfie, what do I always say? What do I always say is the first thing to do? Huh? Put the oven on. That's right. Put the oven on. You know I don't go below 5 anyway. Some of these recipes want you to cook these at 4. Cook these at 4 for something like 20 minutes. It's not going to happen. They're going to be all doughy and gooey and they're going to collapse. Okay? No. Okay? But at the end of the day, you don't want to gas them hot 6 or gas them hot 7 for 20 minutes and bake the shit out of them. Okay? Or bake the crap out of them. Sorry. I know kids watch this, so I've got to be careful with my language. Right, so that's it. So I've got mine in between 5 and 6, okay? Now, 20 to 30 minutes. You want to just set it starting to go brown on top, okay? Just think to yourself, with a fairy cake, you get out of the shop and you think to yourself, colour's that on top. That's the colour you need. Simple as that. But you'll know anyway. And at the end of the day, if you're not too sure, do the famous test. Grab hold of a knife or a skewer or a cocktail stick, straight in, pull it out. Still got gunge on it, not cooked, give them another 5 or 10 minutes. Put it in. If there's no gunge on it, cooked, done, take them out. Alright? Okay, so we're going to do it together now. I've got 11, 12 here. So I'm going to give it, bang them in now, I'm going to give it to just past our pass and see what they are. Okay, we're ready? Grab all your thing, grab all your tray. Open your oven. Got to watch you eat. Put them in. Done. Okay. Let's come back in 20 minutes and see what they're like, alright? Okay, see you in 20 minutes. Alright guys, we're back. 20 minutes later. Got my famous cocktail stick ready. Let's go. Let's grab my cloth. Oh, the smell out here is delicious. I tell you, I can smell it in the air, that famous cooked, fresh, cakey smell. Love it. There's Remy. Right, let's do my cloth. Are you ready? Right, Remy, be careful. Daddy, take a hot pan out or a hot tray out. You ready, guys? Go. Oh my God. They look delicious. Look at them. There you go. Homemade fairy cakes. Very, very hot. I probably don't need to skewer them because I can already see the colour and you can see the colour from there. They look done, but just in case. Straight through the middle, all the way down to the bottom, pull it out, completely dry. No gear on it at all, they're cooked. Turn your oven off, done. So, let's have, there you go. That's how you do them. Now, unfortunately I wanted them a little bit higher so I could cut the tops off as I told you before. But I can see that they haven't gone up as far as I wanted them. But that's not a problem because you can do one or two things now. You can even make a little incision there, lift, cream one side, jam the other, called butterfly. Or you can just simply, with a piping bag, a little bit of, don't really be dealing with all that. Just grab a teaspoon, grab your vanilla buttercream icing, little spoon, a little bit one side, a little bit jam the other side, scoff. What I'll probably do is wait until these go cold. I'll probably spread jam on the top of them, and then I'll probably little spoonful of buttercream on each one of them. That's probably how I'll do them. But there you go. Let's give you one more look. This is how you do them. There's one more look. Now my tray's cooled down a bit, and there you go. Look, 20 homemade. Yeah, I'm proud of them myself. But 20 homemade muffin size fairy cakes. Beautiful smell, beautiful taste. I'm going to scoff one in a minute when they cool down. Now, best thing to do is put them on a rack now, but unfortunately the only rack I've got is my grill one here, which won't take 20 cakes on it. So I'm going to just leave them, put as many as I can on my rack there, and then leave the rest on the worktop just to cool. And I've got my famous net that I put over anyway. Okay, so that's how you do it. I've tried to do it as quick as I can. This one, unlike the others, is only 9-10 minutes long. That's how you make it. I've given you the recipe in the beginning. If you want to cheat and go out and buy a vanilla cake mix, which is about £1.50, go out and do that. You can do exactly the same if you want. You can make them from ingredients from scratch, or go out and cheat. You can do these chocolate as well. Same thing. Do your chocolate mix, or cheat and go out and buy a chocolate mix from a box. Make the box up, put them all in there, and cook them that way. It's entirely up to you. But whatever you want to. I like home baking really, so I like making it from scratch like I normally do. As I said, the recipe I gave you in the beginning is the very same one that I make my Victoria sponge with, my Victoria sandwich with. it's the same one I've used for these. So you know full well that these are going to taste, if you've done it the way I've done it, these are going to taste exactly the same as a Victoria sandwich. Okay? Right. When I cook something else, I'll let you know and I'll show you. But right now, there you have it. 20 muffin size fairy cakes done. Showing you how to do it in 10 minutes. Alright guys? Need anything? Let me know. Like it, like, subscribe, do it. Like. I don't normally ask for subscribers. You subscribe if you want. There ain't no, you know, I don't care if you subscribe or not. I just want you to cook these because I only give you something that's really nice and really delicious to eat. So please, 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 have a go at these. It's absolutely mouth-watering. Okay? Enough of the crap. I'm going. Take care. See you later. All the best.